Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about something close to my heart, the vibrant world of capsicums. Their bright colors and attractive appearance make us buy these veggies in any market, right? But as a grower and crop scientist, this season I have made a tough decision to stop growing bell peppers. But why? The intense heat this summer has led to a massive increase in insect attacks, especially a pest called thrips. Just 3 months in, and I have had to end my crop prematurely, a decision driven by my commitment to safety and health. Spraying harmful chemicals on food I wouldn't consume myself goes against everything I stand for. And if I can't eat it, I certainly won't sell it to you. Thrips, once a minor pest, have become a major headache for capsicum growers across India, causing up to 100% loss in some cases. It's shocking to learn that some farmers are spraying their plants every 3 days to reduce these pests. So, next time you are eyeing capsicum at market, remember while they are packed with nutrients, they might also come with a side of carcinogenic chemicals. Yeah, it's a bitter truth. Let's stay informed and make choices that are not only good for your health but also for our planet. Thanks for tuning in and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you.